Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. Are you Ellen?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Hi, Jimmy.
How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Fine.
Good. There you go. I think Jonathan was trying to get on still.
Okay.
Well, at least he was sending emails. Can you guys see my screen?
I cannot.
I only see your picture.
Yeah.
How about now?
I see you now.
Okay.
Yes, we can see you.
How about now? Hey, look at that.
Ooh.
Hi.
Hello.
All right.
Oh, Jimmy, if I click on you, I can see your screen.
Okay. All right. I had my class last semester. I had to do presentations using this, but I haven't actually done a live event. So,
Do we need to record it? Is it recording?
Yes, it automatically does that because.
Oh, it like saves the link. Okay.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
So I was just gonna look real quick because I saved.
So I got a question for you guys.
Yeah.
Are we each supposed to go to the quiz and fill it out together, or does one of us submit the quiz?
I'm pretty sure we're all supposed to submit it. We can go through it together. My understanding is the homework part, but or whatever. Yeah, the group meeting quiz, but we all have to do it. Is my understanding.
Yep.
Yeah.
See, and I thought we just did it together. Let's see right here.
I think
each member of the group must. Oh, okay. You're right. Right there, step 3. So, did you guys have any questions on part 2?
I didn't.
I did.
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Apparently, I can't open the one that I wrote my answers on while we're doing this, so.
Oh, no worries.
Okay, so are you guys all on the quiz then, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it up.
Working on it.
Yeah, I already opened it.
Trying to get there.
Now, did you guys want to try and do both tonight or just this one?
Is the other one even open?
I haven't finished lesson 3. I haven't tried lesson 3.
I haven't either because I didn't want to get confused, but at the same time, I didn't know what we all wanted to do.
This week I didn't work ahead because the same thing. I didn't want to get confused. But if that's something we want to all try to do and try to have everything done by Tuesday for both lessons, then I'm okay with that. But this week I didn't look ahead.
Yeah, and I mean, it's not a big deal for me to meet twice, every week to do that. I just didn't know what we wanted to do, so I'm good with either. Okay, does somebody want to read and then we'll discuss the answers, or do we want to read it to ourselves? I don't care.
We can each take turn reading a question.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do it.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay, sorry, I'm just doing the first couple of things. Okay, so I can read question 3 really quick.
Okay.
Okay. Researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour after class helps students perform better on exams than if students wait to review material the day before the exam. To answer the question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or an experiment would be more appropriate. They are discussing who the population would be and how they will determine which sampling method will be best to represent the population. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process are the researchers currently applying? I believe they're designing the study right now, right?
Yeah,
That's what I would have said.
yeah.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Uh-huh.
So should someone submit it and then tell us how many they got wrong before we?
It does say you get 2 attempts.
Okay.
Then I think it's the same. Oh no, it's a different question. A researcher has collected the results of a survey where the participants were asked how many hours of TV they watch each day. The researchers tallies the frequency for each category and computes mean number of hours watched. She then creates a histogram to help illustrate the overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps of a statistical process did the researchers apply? Describe the data.
I agree.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, that one sometimes confuses me because she is collecting it, but I believe describing the data is actually creating the graphs.
Yeah.
So,
Uh-huh.
Right.
Agreed.
Yeah.
You want me to read or somebody got it?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay. Mumbai, India is quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as the global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all the registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers received 1,049 responses. The population is 1,049 citizens of Mumbai cannot be determined.
I'd say the citizens.
The citizen of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
Okay.
Who's next?
I'll go.
Is it the same? No.
Yeah, it's the same. The last question.
Those two, yeah, is 5 and 6 exactly the same?
Yeah, but the question.
Oh, but they want to know what the sample is.
Oh,
So
the sample is boy. Glad you guys read.
So wouldn't the, well, it can be determined. So it'd be the 1049, right?
Yeah, 1049 people.
Right.
What would the 3,000 names be then? Would those be the subjects? What would that be?
I think
No,
you're right.
they don't count because they people who didn't answer don't count.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we only have, yeah, it's 1049.
Okay. Cool.
And then,
I can read this one.
okay.
Number 7.
Yeah.
Studies have shown that the retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class
That's
and,
true.
and 44% after the first hour after class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can a student conquer this forgetting curve? The researchers in this study claim that constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review the specific material 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes. an hour after class for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes. Your teacher then gives you a short 10-question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded. What type of data is your teacher collecting?
I would say quantitative.
I'd say quantitative.
Me as well.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can go this time, guys. I've been trying to go several times, but something was wrong with my thing. So,
No worries. I think this next one is almost the same question. So just read maybe the last couple
okay.
things.
Sentences.
After the 6th day, your teacher asks you if you feel confident of reading at least the material. You then record yes, no, or not sure. That would probably be categorical, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one looks the same. The last couple sentences, your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the 6 days. This group is called
I'd say
Control.
I would have said control.
Yeah.
so to give no review to the material over the 6 days.
Yeah, they're trying to
It's
see.
like
They got to have a
control
base.
group.
Because the treatment group is the one that's actually having
Right.
something done, right? The
Yeah.
control group's the one we leave alone. Okay.
So we need the comparison to the treatment group, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
So was that a control group?
I think so.
Yeah, control group.
That's what I would say.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, number 10. Which of the following would be considered an experimental design? Administering the tuberculosis vaccination to one group and giving a placebo to another.
Yeah. I agree.
Yep.
Okay. Next.
Want me to read? In a study to determine the average wage of working people in Mumbai, which of the following would be the best sample? Let's see. Every 10th worker.
I think the third one.
Every
Yeah.
10th worker.
Many randomly selected workers.
Yeah, wouldn't it be all the female? Every 10th workers you meet to travel the streets. That wouldn't be good. Okay, yeah. Many randomly selected workers in each of the several working districts.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Who's next?
I can go.
Go ahead.
You want to become the next, what is this, Jonas Salk?
That's
Yeah.
the polio guy.
Oh, okay. There's a vaccine for treating the respiratory syncytial, I don't know what kind of virus that is, RSV. No, I know that. You test the vaccine compared to a placebo. You need to take the vaccine in one group to take the placebo. What or who are the experimental units or subjects?
Children.
Children. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
The
The
next
next one, yeah. Go ahead.
the next one is the same question, but what are the treatments? And it's the vaccine and placebos.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Okay. In 1992, the U.S. government supported a study that was run for 15 years where 4,608 low-income families were given a chance to move to less impoverished areas. They distributed vouchers and provided various support systems. The researchers wanted to determine if getting people out of poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level of U.S. citizens. The low-income families were randomly assigned to one of the three groups. One, the MTO Low Poverty Voucher Group, which received Section 8 certificates or vouchers usable only in low poverty areas with less than 10% of the population below the poverty line in 1990, along with counseling and assistance in finding a private unit to lease. Two, the Traditional Voucher Group with regular Section 8 certificates or vouchers, and the Control Group with certificate vouchers. The study was an experiment, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, 15. I chose step 1, number 3.
Yep.
Step 3, number 4.
Describe, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Step 4, number 5.
Make inference. Yeah.
Step 5, number 2. And step 2, number 1.
Perfect.
Awesome. Okay. Did anyone else submit? I'll submit if you guys want.
I submitted.
I
You got
already
100%.
submitted. I already submitted the quiz, and I think it's okay. We can review again. So
Did we miss any?
no,
No.
I got 100%.
Same with me.
Question number 3. Sorry, it's design the study. Question number 4, describe the data. Question number 5, the citizen of Mumbai. Number 6, 1049 people. Number 7, quantitative, or how do you pronounce that?
Yeah.
Good enough.
Okay. Number 8, categorical. Number 9, control group. Number 10, administering the tuberculosis vaccination to one group and giving a placebo to another. 11, many randomly selected workers in each of several working districts of Mumbai. 12, the children. 13, a vaccine and placebo. 14, experiment. And 15, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1.
Awesome. Okay. And then all we need to do is the link needs to be posted in the group collaboration discussion board, right?
Yeah, the one that I think only one person who sent the link can post the link and mention the names of the other classmates.
Okay, so Jimmy just needs to post the link since he started it and then put our names. Okay, are you good with that, Jimmy?
Yep. No problem.
Okay.
Thanks.
Can I review something really quick? Because on
Please
number
do.
15, mine's kind of different, I think, because it goes like step 1 is design the study. That's 3 on mine. Step 3 is describe the data. That's 4 on mine. Step 4 is make inferences. But my next one is step 2. It's collect data. On mine, that's number 1.
Yeah.
Mine was like that too.
And then
Mine was a little out of order from what she said, but it should just be the
Okay. I'm just looking at it going, huh? Okay.
yeah.
Step
As
5,
long as like you order it correctly on
number 2.
yours.
Okay. All right. So yeah, just be careful about that then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else, guys?
No, do you want me? I can send the link on time for next Thursday. Thursday, is it okay?
Sure, let's plan on that.
That works.
Is there a way to make it a reoccurring thing, or is it a new link every time?
It'll be a new link every time.
Yeah, because it's recording.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Well, thank you for setting all that up and posting all that. I appreciate that.
So does Thursday same time work for everyone?
Yeah.
Works for me.
Jonathan, where are you at right now?
I'm in the basement of the Joseph Smith Memorial Building.
I recognize that. I'm actually over at the steam plant.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Small world.
Is there anything we should do to be more prepared next time? Like, do you want us to all open up the quiz and put our answers down before we get together, or just do it the way we did it?
I don't know. It didn't take, 20 minutes? It's up to you guys. It wasn't super big deal to me, but
okay.
I think the way we did it was great, but everyone just obviously if you come up with questions, I'm sure there will be things I don't understand that I'll probably have questions about. So just kind of math questions.
I got a feeling this was the easy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's the first one.
Yeah.
Wait for the rest.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
All right. See you guys. See you on
Take care.
Thursday.
Thank you.
Thank
Night
you.
night.
Bye bye.
Bye.